Trying not to yawn right now? Yeah, good luck with that. Yawning is crazy contagious. See someone yawn? Boom. You're probably yawning too. Scientists think this happens because of empathy. Our brains just love to copy each other's vibes. And guess what? It's not just us humans. Chimps and dogs catch yawns too, so your furry friend might just join you in a yawn-off. Here's a cool fact. Yawning might help lower our brain temperature and reduce fatigue. So it's like a mini brain chill-out session. In the end, yawning is totally natural. It's your body's way of sharing its tiredness and keeping you protected. So next time you feel that yawn coming, let it out. Your body knows what it's doing. Stay yawning and stay awesome.